Hi, and welcome to this week's 2-minute art hack. What have we got for you today? Well, it's all about perspective. So we're going to take a quick dive into some nice, easy hacks using single point perspective. It's easier to show this one. Follow me. Hack number one is using the face of a clock as a really good guide. So I'm just putting the clock face in here. Our vanishing point is the center of our clock face, and the 9 to 3 line, that's our horizon line or our eye line. So I'm just going to use an example of drawing a room. So I'm just going to draw a square in the middle of that clock face, and I'm going to draw the outside of the room as if it's coming towards us. And so what we can do, if we use an example of a window, we're going to put the window on that wall. All our vertical lines in single point perspective are straight. They are vertical. It's those horizontal lines that then slope towards our vanishing point. And we can use our clock face as a guide to help us put these lines in. We can also use the pin and string technique. So again, I've drawn the back wall of my room and I'm using a pin tack with some yarn attached to it. And I'm using the yarn to create the horizontal line. So again, the vertical lines are always vertical. And this way is really nice because you don't have a ruler obliterating the drawing, and you can easily move it around to get the lines that you want. And it gives that free-hand feel to it as well. There's no definite straight lines. I'm just going to put a little settee in here as well so you can see how the string works. Now the question with the string and pin is, what do you do with the hole that you're left with? Well, if you rub the paper from the back, that hole will vanish a little bit. Plus you can always draw a little motif over the top. Hopefully those were really useful ideas that you can go and have a little play with. I have a challenge for you. Look at the corner of a room, use those techniques to draw out the corner of your room. And that will just help solidify what you've learned with the hacks. Practice is always great. Something we know about in the Smart Art Academy, of which you will see lots of things on perspective and how to draw buildings. We've been looking at cityscapes, all the things. So come along, like, subscribe, you know what to do. And I'll see you on another 2-minute art hack. Bye.